Yeah, good day, viewers. Good day, beautiful and handsome students. You're once again hearing the voice of Mr. Jude, and I'll be taking you maths grade 2. I'll be talking about place value. But before we go into this, let's make a very brief recap of what we did last time. Last time we talked about count from 1 to 10 and bundles, where we'll see how to count our pencils from 1 to 10. And when we got to 10, we found out that we're now counting in bundles. So you remember what I said? Each bundle contains how many pencils? 10 pencils. Each bundle contains 10 pencils. And that is what we have in our textbook, counting in what? In tens. When we say counting in tens, it means when you are counting from 10 to any number you can think of, as large as any number is. For example, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on and so forth. That means you are counting in tens. You understand what I'm saying? Now today, we'll be looking at what? Place value. And under place value, we'll be focusing on tens and units. Tens and units. Once again, tens and units. Now let's look closely to the board. There is a bundle here, bundle of pencils here. How many pencils do you have in a bundle? Or better still, how many pencils do you have in one bundle according to our teaching from the first page of our textbook? We're meant to understand that each bundle contains what? 10 pencils. So here we have one bundle here. This bundle here contains 10 pencils. And looking at the other side of it, close to the bundle we have here, we have other single pencils. Let's count how many pencils are here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 pencils here. And we have one bundle of pencils here that contains how many pencils? 10 pencils. That is to say, 10 pencils plus 9 pencils equals to what? 19. That's why we have 19 in the box here. But don't forget, we're looking at tens and what? Units. How do you split this number into becoming what? Tens and units. For you to be able to understand what we are saying, that each bundle contains 10 pencils. That is to say, 1 here. You put it under what? 10. 1, 10. Are you seeing it? This tells us that in a bundle we have 10 pencils. Now, your other number, which is 9, you bring it under what? 9 units. That is it here. This bundle contains 10 pencils, which goes to what? 1, 10. Then your unit is what? The other pencils that are lying down here, which are 9 in numbers. We have 9 units. I come again. We're talking about what? Place value. Another place value, we are looking at tens and units. We're meant to understand that each bundle has what? 10 pencils. And that is where we start counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, like that, and like that. Now today, we talked about one bundle which is 10 pencils plus 9 pencils. That gives us what? 19. Now if you have to arrange it in tens and units, your first number, which is 1, goes under what? 10. Followed by what? 9. And that gives us what? 1, 10, 9 units. I hope with this brief explanation of mine, you will be able to do your exercise that are given in the book. You turn to page 2 of your textbook. Page 2 of your textbook. Page 2 of your textbook. Look at it here, Understanding Mathematics, grade 2. Page 2. There's an exercise for you to do there. I've just done the first one, which is the example you're seeing above. Now you have the other ones to do. Here, you can see 2 bundles. Count the number of pencils that are here. Then you can do the rest. Thank you. Listen carefully. Watch the video over and over again so you can understand what we are doing. Stay blessed.